So her water main was shut off a couple months ago. That's the cut right there by DEP. Short water. She told Elvis her story. Elvis came to us and said, hey, this is a perfect candidate for the community give back program that we're trying to do, giving somebody a free water main once a quarter.
Hi, you want to come around to the back?
What, so we can look at it?
You want to come to the basement?
Sure. Yeah, how do I get in?
You can come around to the back if you want.
This way?
No, to the back.
Oh, around, all the way around the back?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Think she knows? I don't think she knows. I don't know. You Miss Dean?
Yeah.
Miss Dean? I'm Mike.
Okay, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
May Elvis tell you why we're here today?
Yeah, to fix the water.
To fix the water.
Yeah.
Elvis told us your story. We're fixing your water free of charge.
I know, thanks.
You know, right?
Yeah, he told me.
Who did? Oh, Elvis told you?
Yeah, he's such a good guy.
Yeah, he is a good guy.
Going through a rough time, boy.
Yeah.
It's very sad.
So we're happy to do it. We have our crew around the corner. They're going to pull up in a minute and we're going to replace the water main for you. You'll have your water restored to your house today.
That is so good. I could see my house.
And then you'll be good to go.
Yeah, thanks so much, Mike.
You're very welcome. We're happy to do it.
Well, today project is like a normal job, you know. Every job got their own problems. This problem right now, we have 4 taps in this hole right here, so we gotta be careful how we dig because it could be a problem. And we gotta make some holes over here. It's a lot of work. It's hard work, but only thing, you know, by giving back, we don't feel that work, you know.
It's a good thing, giving back to, you know, the community. You know, sometimes you find some of the customers, they really struggle. And this is going 25 years, and you know, I enjoy it. All right, here we're on the inside. This is the whole pipe right here. Mm-hmm. That's the whole pipe. That's the one that we're replacing. It's half there now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break a hole through the wall right down there where the pipe comes in. Get out the old one, that we can bring the new one in. Yo. Yeah, check on that. see it from the inside.
Tell them that's how it's done, man.
Yeah, that's it on the inside. I leave this valve because it's a secondary valve. You know, that in case if this one went bad, you can still use this one to close the water off. And this one is one of the good valve then. Now the end of coming to the end of the process. We have installed a new 1-inch water line from the city main all the way to the meter on the inside of the house. Backfilling, clean up, and get the hell out of here. This is another project with Harris. You can like, share, comment, and say, big up Harris.
Harry.
Good.